darlings, welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in. Let me show you how I made this yummy chicken wings. So this is the main ingredients of the day, which is our chicken wings. Okay, I went ahead to cut that open. I transferred it into a pan. I gave it a quick rinse with some salt. I didn't film while I was adding the salt, guys. I went ahead to dry that with some paper towel. Once that was done, I moved over to the counter. I chopped up some onions, and guys, you can also use hot scotch pepper, but because kids are gonna be eating this, I didn't add that. So guys, I went ahead to season with the onions, black pepper, rosemary, crushed red pepper, some thyme, some curry, a little bit of seasoning cube, my salt. I added ginger and garlic as well, and I went ahead to mix and massage that to properly get it mixed together. And I added it into a bowl. I covered it and I left it in the fridge overnight to marinate. Now guys, the next morning I wrapped my pan with some foil and greased it with some oil to avoid sticking to the pan. I went ahead to transfer my chicken back into my foil pan. Guys, I went ahead to bake my chicken on a 360-degree oven for 30 minutes. If you want yours to be a lot more brown than mine, you can bake it longer. After 30 minutes, this is what my chicken looks like. And guys, I decided to serve it with some chopped carrot alongside with some ranch, but you can enjoy this with any sauce that you like. Okay, so guys, I also added some green onions to add some pop of colors to it, and that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.